In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a link to a specific page or slide in your Canva design. So I have this presentation here. It doesn't have to be a presentation. It can be in any Canva design that has pages, multiple pages. Um, so I'm going to share a link. Maybe if you want to share it to your teammates to just one specific slide in this presentation. So just click on that slide. Make sure you're in this view mode. Click on this button to go in this view mode if you're in the other view mode. Um, and then just click on the three buttons and then click on copy a link to this page. So once you have it copied, you can test this out by going into a new tab, and then you can enter here uh, the link to test this out. And as you can see, it goes right to this slide. And yeah, don't worry about this being shared with unauthorized people, because Canva will already take care of that. So don't worry about that. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.